Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create and add privacy policy to your WordPress site. So to do this, you need to go on your WordPress and click on settings right here and click privacy right here. And now as you can see, there are some privacy settings which WordPress suggests, and you actually can use this page. So let's use it. So the privacy policy page updated successfully, and now we need to go to pages. And as you can see, there's a draft for privacy policy page. So we're going to open it up. And now, as you can see, there's some suggestions, but we need to actually have a great privacy policy. So what we need to do is go to Google and write down privacy policy generator, and let's choose this privacy policy generator.info. And let's use this one for our privacy policy generation. So now you can generate the privacy policy right here. So this will be you basically have to choose the option. So let's use a website. Now continue. And as you can see, what is your website URL? So you need to write down your URL. So I'm just gonna paste my website name. Now entity type and country. And basically you click generate and you will get your policy here. Now you can actually copy your privacy policy right here. Copy to clipboard, and now you can go back to your page right here. And let's delete this one. Now you paste it here, and that's basically it. Now you can click publish, and let's leave it private and let's publish it. Basically, it will look something like that. And yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.